welcome back to my channel. It's your girl XO coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing another wig review for you. So today I'm going to be reviewing hair from VIVI BABI, right here. So yes, this is a brand off of Amazon. This is a hair company off Amazon. They sell, you know, all kinds of wigs and all that stuff, but I was interested in trying out their curly bang wig. Yes, ladies, today we're gonna be trying out a bang wig, a curly bang wig at that. So yeah, let's take this out of the box. Now shipping, since it's off Amazon, shipping is going to be fast no matter what. Like if you have Amazon Prime, I feel like everyone has Amazon Prime at this point. Yeah, shipping was super quick. So the hair comes in this cute little box right here. Here comes packaged like that, and also a wig cap, and they give you a cute little card. Now I got myself an 18-inch curly wig, so we shall see if, you know, it's giving me everything that I wanted. All right, so let's pop that out. Now since it's curly, it's going to be all shriveled up, but look at it. Ooh, so this is how the hair is looking. Really cute. It's very voluptuous and it's giving me body. It's moving, it's shaking. Like I said, this is a bang wig, so it's not going to have lace. So this is what it's giving you, you know. But it does have 4 combs. So you have a comb in the middle, combs on the side, and one on the back. You also have adjustable straps, and you get an extra strap for security right there. Low-key, I can kind of just plop this wig on and, you know, go, but we have to spruce it up a little bit. So let me just plop it on just so you guys can see what we're working with. This might be a short video because usually I have to do like a whole bunch of stuff, but with this, it's just 1, 2, 3. It's like a throw on and go. Oh, I'm looking kind of crazy though. all right. Looking kind of crazy. See, this is it without it being all fluffed out and whatnot. But I have some water. I'm gonna spray it. So I got my comb, I'm gonna comb it out. Oh, it just like glides right through. It's not even stopping. Look at this. Look at this. Who's gonna tell me this is not my hair? Who? No one. No one, that too. Because this looks so real. It looks so good. I would probably cut it to frame my face, but what? I don't even want to cut it low key. But look at how cute. I feel so cute with this. I used to review these wigs that were like $12, and they were like synthetic half wigs, and they would just have like a curly bang. This is what it's giving me. This is what it reminds me of, and I love it because it makes putting on a wig so much easier. So much easier. Like what? And like you can have like leave out. You can do like leave out because there's no hair. There's like no lace whatsoever. So you could push this back. I mean, my hair is like dyed right now, so. But if you have like black hair, you could just push this back and then bring some of your baby hairs out and all that stuff, and blend your natural hair into this wig. This will be great. This is like this is basically a half wig, but with a bang. Like you cut bangs into your half wig. That's what it feels like to me. It's so nice. Now I'll show you guys how, like 18-inch kinky, it's going to be this length. Now if you stretch it out, is it going to be 18 inches? Let's see. When I stretch it out, it comes down to like boob, like a little bit past my boob, so maybe 18 inches. You guys tell me, but how do you guys feel about it so far? It looks so good. I feel so amazing. Now, remember, this is an $80 wig. $80. You don't have to do much. You just plop it on, brush it out, comb it out, and go. You go. Go. I love it so much. Look at the texture. Look at the little ringlets. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? yeah, this is everything. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, definitely check the link down below. It's going to be on Amazon. Fast shipping. Like, I'm pulling up the website right now. Today's the 22nd. It's saying that if you order it today, you get it October 29th. So that's Thursday. So like a week. I think it's worth it. I hope you guys do too. 18 inches for $80, not bad at all. And then you can go longer. The longest they have is like 24 inches, which I think would be gorgeous. 24 inches for $120. That is not bad at all for a simple put on and go wig. I might just cop that. I might just cop that too. I also want to dye this hair. I want to add like highlights because it's fall time and I feel like I want to add some color, but I can also just, you know, leave this like this for a while. I don't know. You guys tell me down below, what should I do to this hair? Should I leave it alone? Should I dye it? You tell me. You guys tell me. I'm living my natural girl flair. This is like, this is everything. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join me a little familiar, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.